Hi all, Satya here. I would like to share one more framework which is called ZIM.js, which uses Create.js on the back end side. So they use the library of Create.js and they develop custom functionalities to create the ZIM framework, which has a lots of inbuilt feature for game development. There is a template, very nice template I found. I thought it will be useful for you, so I thought of sharing with you. So if you see, this is a 4 by 4 puzzle, and you can use this. You can use this template to create jigsaw puzzle games. This can be customized very easily, and I'm still working on this to make a working version of it. So if you see, this is a very nice effects, and this is very easy to build. Also, the framework is super easy to build, and I have added some play again button, and there are some buttons below. Let me show you that. So if you see here, I have music enabled for this. Okay, and the picture on the behind can be visible, can be shown and hidden, and there is hint for the shapes uh, to enable and disable. And here you can see how many pieces are being placed or not placed. So if I place one, it will update the number here. So this is the progress of the game. I am still working on it to add for more functionalities. I'll share it with you guys. Thank you.